So this guy likes to lay down double layer. His warmer is a must. His warmer's a must. And right now we have it probably about 100, exactly how he likes it. And the temperature is going to reach up to, like I said, as a time, we could do a timer, set time. We could do it set for 6 minutes, 6 hours, Fahrenheit. But like I said, hours. But we're going to set it up for tonight. It's going to get a little cold, so we're going to leave him 100. This thing warms up pretty quick, and he enjoys it. He actually snuggles too much with it, so I keep it close by. It's getting cold tonight, so let's see how hot it is. So you can see my dog temperature. Look at the mat. The mat's a little warm already. It's about 80 right now. So we're going to let him heat up a little bit, and then we're going to take it off so we can see how hot it is. So he just got off the mat right now. You can see how hot it is. You see all the coils. It's getting warm. So you guys can see how hot it is. This is all the coils it's getting. We put 100 right now, and right now there he is. Right now he's looking for it. He's saying, "Why is it not warm enough like it was earlier?" So because I took the mat out and I spread it out here, you guys can see it. It's about 100 right now to 90 to 80. But this is going to stay like this fixed. You guys can see that. So this is the actual mat for a dog. Any size. You could put it over his existing mat because if they're used to it, or under. But make sure that it's not going to catch fire or anything like that. Make sure it's material that's going to last for a while. And he's going to try to get it up there. If you guys can see. He likes it because it's warming up. In fact, he's going to lay on it because he knows that it's hot. So that's what it is. So the great thing about this mat too is that you could unzip it, take the coils and everything out. If you guys can see the mat coils, and you could wash this separately. You don't have to have this, right? This whole unit's attached to this system here. Easy to remove, easy to set up, easy to wash. I like this zipper. Well, he wants his mat back. He's complaining that he doesn't have his mat back in top of his bed. He's trying to take it in there. So he's trying to lay down in there. He knows it's attached to it. So he misses the mat, and this mat is working out really good. That he likes the warmth of it. So we're gonna put it back in his bed. He wants it back. We're gonna put the mat back right now, and we're gonna get him off and put it back where it belongs. So this is a nice little feature they have. I like the mat that it comes with all the buttons, all the bells and whistles that you need. Very simple. I have a connection right next to him, so he's gonna like it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.